Good day again, sir. I am Midshipman Arvin Gasis of Australia. And for this video, the topic is about the safety measures to be taken to ensure a safe working environment for using electric arc and gas welding. The first thing to be discussed is to enumerate proper PPE and how to wear it. So what is the proper PPE that's needed when doing electric and gas welding? Whenever gas cylinders are present at a work site, all personnel involved in storing and handling the cylinder must be provided with appropriate personal protective equipment. So first, welding helmet, a type of headgear used in performing certain types of welding to protect the eye's face and neck from flash burns, sparks, infrared and ultraviolet light, and intense heat. And number two is the protective gloves. The protect the hands of to protect the hands of a welder from the hazards of welding. These gloves allow digit articulations while protecting the operator from the electrical shock, uh, extreme heat, and the ultraviolet and infrared radiations, and also provide abrasion resistance and enhanced grip. And the number three is safety footwear. It prevents from the getting foot injuries due to slippery surface, heavy pulling or rolling objects, sharp piercing edges, fence points, rotary machinery, hot object loops to of ropes under tension, splinters, electricity, chemical, or even bad weather, etc. And number four is welding respirator. It's a piece of protective equipment that protects welders from fumes. And the number five is the hearing protections are required to prevent noise in those hearing loss. Hearing protections devices reduce the noise energy reaching and causing damage to the inner ear. And one of the important equipment is the coverall. It's worn to provide a continuous coverage and prevent gaps and the waste when moving or bending. Welding protective clothing protects workers from sparks, spatter, and slag, and also flame. And enumerate and explain proper procedure on how to prepare the working prior starting electric arc welding. Arc welding, also referred to as stick welding, has been performed successfully on almost all types of metals. The first step in preparing to arc weld is to make certain that necessary equipment is available and that welding machine is properly connected and in good working order. Particular attention should be given to the ground connections, since a poor connections results in fluctuating arc that is difficult to control. When using shielded electrode, the bar end and the electrode should be clamped in its holder at 90-degree angle to the jaws. Some holders allows the electrode to be inserted at 45 degrees angle when needed for various welding positions. The welding arc is established by touching the base metal plate with the electrode and immediately withdrawing it at short distance. At the instant the electrode touches the plate, a rush of current flows through the point of contact. As the electrode is withdrawn, electric arc is formed, melting spot on the plate and the end of the electrode. How to secure the workplace after completion is electric arc welding. At the end of a long shift, is welding is natural to be tired or simply ready to leave. However, before you do, there are some more final safety steps that you should take. These safety steps will help protect your environment, coworkers, and properly from harm and danger. Make sure your equipment is fully turned off before you step away from your work area. You must always make it point to make sure that your welding equipment is turned off and properly stored. You should also double check the gas cylinder valves are fully closed and safety properly. And that's all. Thank you.